Into today, I saw that we had a SMT with the Asian high right here with ES. If I pull up ES, as you can see, we had this pre-market SMT with this high, and then on the 4-hour we were trading lower off this 4-hour fair value gap. So we were coming to today looking for shorts. I wanted to see previous day low was my draw initially, and these AM lows. But looking at the market open right here at 9:30, we actually traded up, putting in an S&T with like I think this high. Let me go to ES, confirm. Haven't looked at the charts all day. Yeah, you can see right here at 9:30 open, we had that S&T. As you can see at 9:30 open right here versus NQ's 9:30 open. It's S&T where we distribute short. There was a great short in this fair value gap. I missed it because I was charting out. I think I just woke up, but there was a nice short here to target these overnight lows or the Asian lows. Like these equal lows right here would have been nice, as well as the PM low. I'm not gonna lie though, if I did take this short right here, something like this, and I would target previous day low. This would be my target. So I'm lucky glad I didn't, because as you can see, we never reached previous day low, and I would have gone stopped at break even. And seeing this happen, I would probably be really upset. But yeah, so 9:30 open, we were just selling. I couldn't really get in short here, and then after this, yeah, I am recording. After I saw this, I was actually looking for longs because we had a SMT with previous day low right here. I wanted to see price come and sweep out previous day low actually, so I was waiting for price to come and sweep this out. That's why I didn't try to bottom tick this long right here, but we did have an SMT, and off that SMT we started trading higher. That's why I didn't go long initially off the first up close candle. It's because I wanted to see price trade lower down to previous day low. But once I saw this V-shaped recovery, right, off the PM low yesterday and this higher time frame SMT with previous day low, I was looking for longs. And whoever's in the morning call will remember me saying this. I wanted to go long off the soup of this low, right? So we traded up V-shaped recovery, and then we formed this accumulation, and I was like, all right, once price manipulates out of here, sweeping out this low, I will go long. As you can see, price never traded out this low. It just ended up forming these smooth lows right here and traded higher. We actually did put in an S&T though, which is probably why we didn't reach those lows right here on ES. I should have realized that, but ideally I would want to see that sweep. And then we traded higher, forming this bullish fair value gap where we traded back into where I went long off of. If you guys remember, I went long off this bullish fair value gap, the first one off this expansion move higher. And then, yeah, we were getting chopped up at my entry for probably like 10-15 minutes, where we finally expanded higher with this candle, hitting our TP1, which was the AM high right there. And then my final TP was this 4-hour high, but what happened was price hit my TP, partialed out right here, and traded back to my entries, stopping everything out at break even, and then runs to full TP at 4-hour high. As off that 4-hour high, which is aligned with this 4-hour fair value gap right here. This was my TP. I was targeting this 4-hour fair value gap, aligned with this 4-hour high, which is the Tuesday PM high. You can see price traded into it right here, if I can mark it out. Oh, what the hell was that? We traded into it, and right off that, we actually start trading lower. So this would have been a sniper exit if I could have took a position out there, if I could have held it to there. And off that 4 high, the PM session was horrible. I'm glad I wasn't trading this. We just ranged. It was a range. We traded lower, but just really choppy action. Did anyone take any trades in the PM session? Is anyone even here? Am I talking to myself now? The PM session was, yeah, really choppy. Sadly, I did, yeah. I'm glad I was off by the AM. No one is here. I know no one is here, bro. I gave an announcement. Told them to get the schedule, but it's alright. Yeah, the morning was good, but then after that, we just ranged in the PM, eventually trading lower. I'm gonna stay from PM now. Yeah, I normally don't like to trade PM actually. I like to trade AM because I have an AM draw on liquidity. But for tomorrow, I want to be seeing, honestly, all right. I'm gonna show you guys something. So on the new monthly open, if I go to the monthly open, we're actually setting up what I want to see. I said this, we're having a monthly open low. If I go to the daily, you can see on the monthly time frame, since the monthly open, we're having an open low, and since we are overall, like, if we are overall bullish, you want to see an open low and a high. So something like this for the month. Open, low, and then high, and then a close. Something like we saw that last month right here. We saw a September open, low, high, close. So we're seeing the low off this month initially, which is good because we do want to see, I do want to start seeing bullish action maybe later in this quarter, later this month. Start seeing some bullish action, but I'm anticipating for this week to actually be bearish. So I want to see these lows get run tomorrow. These lows. I want to have a bearish week this week. It's a sell week, yeah. I want to see a sell week because of the monthly, how we're setting up on the monthly time frame, as well as how we're trading off this 4-hour fair value gap. So I want to see a sell week down at these lows. We do have unemployment claims tomorrow at 8:30 a.m., which is great. I love 8:30 a.m. news because it really does shape how you take a trade at market open. It really helps. It really helps frame a draw on liquidity with data high and data lows. Helps frame the manipulation. So it's clean when we have 8:30 a.m. news, especially unemployment claims. So that's what I'm looking at. I want to see these lows tomorrow. How we set up overnight is important, and how we trade unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. is important. Everything is based off of what happens in the market and what I see and how we react, right? I can't predict what's going to happen over the London and Asian and how unemployment claims will come out, but what we see is how we react. So it's important how we trade that tomorrow. But ideally, we can see shorts lower to previous day low, and as I kind of hope it doesn't sweep these lows overnight because this is my draw. Have we inversed the weekly bot busy? No, not yet. We're in it right now. We're still in it. We're still in it. Why are you bearish? Because overall price action is bearish. The 4 hours bearish. We have. I want to see these lows get run. I want to see Tuesday. I want to see this week be bearish for a bullish month. It really depends though how we trade overnight. What's the difference between the conviction of taking position market open versus the macro? What does that mean? Taking position at market open versus 10 versus like the 9:50 a.m. macro. I mean, the difference is the time you enter and how you enter. Like if there's a setup at 9:30 open, then sure, take it. I don't really get that quote. Like sometimes I take entries close to market open, like 9:30 open, like 9:35, 9:40. I'll be in a trade. Sometimes I'm not in a trade till like 10:05 a.m. Sometimes I'm not in trade till like 10:50 a.m. This month going to be goated. Yeah, October typically has clean price action. Cleaner price action. It's the start of Q4 too, so let's have a good month.